Hello, I'm Mariana Prieto, and I'm the founder of Design for Wildlife, an organization that brings service design to wildlife conservation missions. This organization exists as a way to bring our design practices, design research, prototyping, and designing new and bold futures to wildlife conservation challenges. But for this work to happen, we must bridge the gap between how conservationists perceive design and what the value of design is, as well as how designers understand wildlife conservation and what it really means to work as a designer with wild animals. What I have found through my work is that a misinterpretation between both of these parties is really what has stopped design from having a seat at the table in wildlife conservation. For many years, I worked as a service designer across Africa, Asia, and Latin America with IDEO.org and with the International Rescue Committee, as well as independently. And through that experience, I really was able to see how design can have an impact to improve the health and livelihoods of people around the world. But during those times, I also saw both the positive and negative impacts that wild animals can have on the lives of people. But design is currently not part of the conversation or of the teams that are working to support farmers, for example, who have lost their cattle to jaguars or to lions, or farmers who have lost their crops to elephants. As designers in wildlife conservation, we empathize with the needs of people and come up with solutions that simultaneously protect the wildlife conservation missions and the people that are directly impacted by them. Design has an exciting new horizon to explore, and the designers who are passionate about wild animals need to know that they are needed in wildlife conservation.